This video is sponsored by Wild Police Chase.
Hey, go ahead and grab it. You got keys in it? Yeah, it should be. If it ain't, drag it up here.
74 on secondary, 48th Street, front over, continue east on 40, current speeds are 92.
Forcing it coming up behind me.
1034.
Put your hands up! Hey, right here. Right here. Oh, shit. Motherfucker. Hey, he's out here. Hey, y'all got a drone? Fuck.
648, the only condition. Turning down, MLK, 930 Highway, eastbound.
20, close my door real quick. RC, I believe he may have hit another car right before I TBI'd him. He get on foot out here in this field. I'm straight out from your car. Straight out the field from your car. Forcy, tell somebody to get on, have West Memphis get on Mountain City Road.
10-4. They getting that dog out coming down there.
Hey! They finna bring a dog out here!
Come back from that dog. 24 before the other. Close the streets and everything like that. Over 374.
Gunner, all black clothes. He ran straight out that way. There's a West Memphis officer out there.
How far have you been?
Just to the About where you can see where the lights are on the ground.
West Memphis Officers got a dog too?
No, he's just on foot. He was chasing him, but he was going straight out away from you.
I'm back out with the female investigation of prostitution. We'll back over there. What do you got there, Rich? Okay. January, November. One Charlie Big House, Romeo, 8 Alpha, 9 5 011. One more return to Genesis, catch up and 10 Infiniti G37, no return to the Tri-State area, 250 bus. Lakaya Jones. 816, that's 816, that's it. No return. 26 to 4.
Go ahead.
Hudson said if we need a thermal drone, let him know.
Yeah, 10-4, have it come on.
Hiya, Joe.
26, are you on the phone with him?
I'm calling now.
10-4, we're here at the end of the on-ramp for Mound City, eastbound.
Jamaica Blue. Come in 9, no, Vietnam. I didn't get a return on Jamaica Blue 81802. 54, is she working the track over there? You said possibly.
Hey, can you get one of your guys to go to Mound City Road? Can you get one of your guys to go to Mound City Road?
There's 6 states. Asking me somebody to go to Mound City Road. Hey, just head on Mound City Road now.
Hey, Kevin.
Stay by the track.
Black male, all black clothes. That may be the driver. I think he hit that car when he tried to pass. He tried to pass it on the inside shoulder.
On Friday, March 21st, 2025, at approximately 7:56 p.m., I heard West Memphis officers ask for ASP assistance with the pursuit of a silver Infiniti passenger car. The Infiniti fled from a traffic stop in the rear parking area of the Southland Casino. West Memphis advised the driver was wanted in connection with prostitution on the casino property. I was completing a traffic stop on MLK near I-55. West Memphis advised the Infiniti was traveling east on Interstate 40. I entered Interstate 40 at the 280 on-ramp and immediately saw Infiniti approaching me from behind at a high rate of speed. I turned on my blue lights to engage in the pursuit. The Infiniti attempted to pass a civilian passenger car using the left shoulder of the roadway. The Infiniti appeared to strike the left side of the civilian passenger car as it passed. I immediately performed a TVI to end the pursuit. The Infiniti rotated several times and came to rest on the right shoulder of the roadway. The driver exited the car and fled on foot. I gave chase but was unable to locate the driver as he ran into an open field and then a wooded area. After an extensive search of the area, the driver was not located. I returned to my car and began reviewing my video from my in-car camera. I asked dispatch to contact West Memphis and get the driver's information that was given to the original officers. Dispatch advised the driver identified himself as Darnell Jones, DOB September 18, 1988, a black male from Memphis, TN. Dispatch sent me his information, which included a DL photo. I used the photo to compare to the driver exiting the Infiniti on my video and confirmed it was Jones. West Memphis officers also confirmed Jones's identity as the driver who fled the traffic stop at Southland Casino. I will be submitting an affidavit for approval of the DPA to obtain warrants for the arrest of Jones.
Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share my video and press bell icon to get future updates.